Alright, fellas, here's the second box. Pack one. Back to the front. Andre Ethier, numbered to 525. Adrian Gonzalez, numbered to 240. Mike Schmidt, numbered to 1350. Jacoby Ellsbury, numbered to 1350. Johnny Miz, numbered to 1350. The hit, Andrew McCutchen, Rising Stars, numbered to 99. Second pack. Cy Young, numbered to 525. Ty Cobb, numbered to 99. Andre Ethier, numbered to 1350. Adam Dunn, numbered to 1350. Andrew McCutchen, numbered to 1350. The hit is Johnny Miz, 349 batting average, numbered to 18. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.